Welcome to our foundation channel from class 7. The chapter number 9 is quadrilaterals. To improve the basic skills, especially in this chapter, so you require some proper skills. One by one I'll explain. I'm giving link in description below regarding the worksheets. To practice, you can download the worksheets and you can practice to improve each and every concepts in this quadrilaterals from this chapter. First of all, you should supposed to learn the types of quadrilaterals or classifying the quadrilaterals. Every quadrilateral has four sides and four angles, right? Based on the size or equality, parallel, depending on the angles, we have the names. Four sides are equal and every angle is 90 degrees. Opposite sides are parallel. There's a square. Same side like square properties, all sides are equal but only opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles only are equal is rhombus. Just like from square you get the rhombus. Opposite sides are equal but not all the four. Only opposite sides are equal and parallel. Every angle is 90. It's a rectangular shape. Shape of the diagram and name I am showing, you can understand this. Next to parallelogram. From this rectangle, you can get this parallelogram shape. Opposite angles are equal in this. In every quadrilateral, sum is 360. Sum of the angles of the four angles sum is 360 degrees, that you know already. And regarding the properties, opposite sides are equal and parallel in the parallelogram. Next, trapezoid, only one opposite pair is parallel, other two are, if not equal, it's trapezoid. If other two sides are equal, isosceles trapezoid. Same. Non-parallel sides are if equal. If it is, for example, 3 centimeters, this is also exactly 3. This is the isosceles trapezoid. Here it is 3 and it is 4. So just only trapezoid, right? And kite is adjacent pair are equal. So these two are equal distance and these two are equal. Okay, here is only one pair of opposite. So just are equal. Right. And irregular quadrilateral. There's no any shape regarding this remaining all the shapes. There's a irregular quadrilateral. Okay, kite shape is this. Remember? Right. So based on this classifying quadrilaterals, I am giving complete one worksheet. Diagrams I am giving, just observe the property and you can answer this. So you can get the worksheet from the link in description below. I can practice that skill. Next one, depending on the properties, we have the problems. Right? Solve for x. Once perfectly practice all type of quadrilaterals and perfect in the worksheets, then come to this next third page in this worksheet and find the x value. In each figure is parallelogram. Solve for x. According to the parallelogram, we know that opposite angles are equal, right? And some of the same side, some of the adjacent angles are equals to 180 degrees. So these both, angle y plus z is 180 or else angle x plus y is 180. So these two lines are parallel, like transversal. Some of the adjacent angles are equal to 180 degrees in parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite is not given, y and z is given here. So x plus 125 plus x plus 55, it is equal to 180 degrees. So x plus x, 2x, 125 plus 55, 180 is equals to 180 only. That means 2x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 in this. It may come. So x is 0 in this, right? And question number 6, if you observe parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Here is angle y plus angle z is equals to 180 because adjacent angles are equal to 180 and opposite angles are equal. So angle G exactly equals to angle E. That means 110 equals to 37x minus 1. So 37x is equals to minus 1 takes a plus 1, 111. Then x is 111 divided by 37. Okay, times 3. This is the 21. So 111 by 37 is 3. X is equal to 3. You can apply the properties. Right? The meaning of the symbol is 90 degrees. So this is must be 90. 16x minus 6 is equals to 90. From this you can solve and find out the x value. Okay. Here also, opposite sum of the adjacent angle equal to 180. 3 plus 8x plus, because t and u is given in this question, 3 plus 8x plus 37x minus 3 is equals to 180 degrees. You just apply linear equations and find out the x value. Okay, based on the properties we can find out the values. So once perfect that skill, rest of the problems practice. Next one more skill is depending on the angle sum. So sum of the angles in a quadrilateral, if it is an irregular shape, sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Let us take any one problem. So let me take this question number 2. ABCD. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus D is equals to 360 degrees. Sum of the angles in a quadrilateral. X value you can find out. So angle A 110 plus 65 plus 94 plus 17x plus 6 is equal to 360. You can use addition property and simplify. 94 plus 600, 110 plus 65, 175. So total 275. Numbers if you add, plus 17x is equal to 360. 17x 360 minus 275. You can subtract this from 360. 275 you can subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 now 15 minus 7. So this is 8. 85. 17x is equal to 85. Then x is equal to 85 divided by 17. So x is equals to 5. Right. So angle sum property means sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is 360. That truly can apply. You can do all these problems. Okay, not only this. According to the given data, here is 110, 110 is matched, equal. Opposite sides are equal means a rhombus shape. So 70 is equals to 10x, because other two sides are equal. So x is equal to 7, because this is the rhombus shape. The shape is irregular. Sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is 360. You can apply. Right. This skill you can improve by practicing other worksheets. Next we have some area problems already studied in class 5, 6 also. If you know, just solve it fast, or else listen and practice the worksheets. Area of the rectangle is length times breadth. Area of the square is side into side. Okay, first one is square shape. Area is 9 into 9. So 81 centimeters square. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So 1.8 into 1.2. It's inches now. The answer will come in square inches. Without point you multiply. 18 times 12. 2 8 is 16. So this is 36. Again 18. 6, 11, 216. So that means 2.16. It's just a simple multiplication you can do and calculate this calculation or problems. Again, same way area of the parallelogram and triangle problems. Also, I'm giving some worksheets. If you know, directly download the worksheets and you can solve the answer and verify. Area of the parallel, this is the trapezium. Opposite sides are parallel. Distance between them is 4. Okay, so this one. All the shapes I'm giving, not only this, and distance between them. So 1 by 2 times same parallel sides. 2.7 plus 6.7 you can add, and distance, multiply distance between them. Just area of the proper triangles, area of the parallelogram, area of the trapezium. Those problems already practiced in previous class. Now I'm not telling again. Use this worksheet for practicing. You can use it. Only for parallelogram is base into height. So base is 11.9, height is 9.5. Multiply directly. Okay, base is 11 and height is 6. Multiply. Your base is 10, height is 6. So 60 kilometers square. So always base and height will be perpendicular. So 2 into 2, 4 square meters. Okay. Just areas I'm not stressing more. Just only practice the classifying the quadrilaterals, types of quadrilaterals, how to calculate based on the angles and sides if they mention. Those all you can practice. Then prepare from the worksheets to improve the basic skills, especially in this chapter, quadrilaterals.